Hi Tim. So we will learn about a GCD. What's meant by GCD? GCD means a greatest common divisor. So before executing this program, we will learn about GCD and how to calculate GCD. We will learn about that. Okay, let's start. So what is GCD or what is HCD? Okay, so I have given like two answers. GCD is the greatest common divisor, and HCD and HCP both are same. Okay, highest common divisor or factor. Okay, let's try to understand with a small example. Okay, so what is GCD of 2 and 1? Okay, GCD of 2 comma 1. Okay, I'm going to write the solution for it. Okay, GCD means the factors of 1 which is divisible by 2. Okay, now I'm going to divide 2 by 1. Okay, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. Okay, now minus 0 means, okay, so we are subtracting 2 minus 2. Okay, it will be 0. Okay, now see this 2. Okay, we divided 2 by 1. Okay, we got, this is the remainder. Okay, okay, remainder, and this is the quotient. Okay, just try to understand. uh, uh, okay, this is the quotient. Now, okay, now see, these are the factors of 2. 1 and 2 both are factors. Okay, right? So factors, and we can divide 2 by 1 as well as 2. Okay, we can divide 2 by 1, we can divide 2 by 2. It means there are two factors, 2, 1. In the same way, we will find a 1 factors. Okay, 1 we can divide by 1. Okay, quotient 1, 1 here minus 0. We have to divide until the remainder becomes a 0. Okay, then only we can say a number can divide completely. Complete means a remainder must be 0. Then only we can say a number can be divisible with this number. Okay, 1 can be divisible by 1. Okay, now you understood, right? So here we have a factors of 1 becomes 1 into 1. Okay, this one here or here. Okay, Now we have a factors of 1 is 1. Okay, only 1 we have. So this is the factors and this is the fact. Okay, what is meant by a GCD? GCD means a greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. What is the greatest value from 2 and 1? It is a 2, right? And what is the greatest value from this 1, right? But what we are saying, greatest common. Common means what? It should be available here and it should be available here. Okay. It means we should not take this one. Okay. Then we should go with the common. What is common? 1 is the common. Okay. Now here 1 is common. Okay. Among and between these two values, we have to find the greatest. Okay. Greatest to become 1. Means a GCD of 2 and 1 is a 1. So this is the greatest common divisor of 2 and 1. Now we will take one more example to, okay, just find GCD of 81 and 153. Okay, in the same way we have to find. Okay, now GCD 81, 153. Now we will start with the second example. Okay, let's find a GCD of 81, 153. Okay, now we'll find a factors of 81 which is divisible by 81. Okay, first we will start with 1 can divide 81, right? Okay, now 2 cannot divide. Okay, now try with 3. Okay, I have written 3. Now 81. Okay, 2, 6. Okay, 2, 1 minus. Okay, now what we will do? We will, okay, it will be 21 and 0 means 3 can divide 81. Now we'll try with the 6. Okay, we'll try with 6. We'll try with 6. Okay, 3 become 81 and 6. 6, 1 the 6. Okay, 2 and 9. No, it cannot be 18. And what is the value? 3 and 0. See, I said right, a remainder must be a 0, but a remainder is not coming. Means 6 cannot divide 81. Okay, so I'm taking off 6. So 6 is not divisor of 81. Okay, now directly after 6, we'll go with the 7. No, 7 won't work out. 8 would work out. Then 9. Okay, 9 nines are 81. Okay, it becomes 0. This is the remainder. Okay, this is the quotient. Okay, now we got one more factor and visor of 81. Okay, now these are the factors of 81. Try to find a factors of 1 by 3. Okay, first of all, 1 can divide 153. Now we'll try with the 3 can divide 153, right? Here 5, 15, 0, and it will become a 3 and 3, 0. See, remainder and this one. So it can be divisible. Okay, now next we will go by 6. We'll try with 6. Don't know exactly. Okay, 6. We'll take 6 here. Okay, I will take 2 here. Now it will be 3, right? Now, okay, it's 3. Now, okay, 30. Here will be 5. Now 3. See, remainder is not a 0. Okay, then 6 is not a factor of 153. Now we'll go with the directly 9. Okay, now 1, 5, 3. Now going to divide this one. Okay, now 9 here. Okay, what is the value? 6. Okay, okay, and what is the value? Okay, okay, this is the first one, this one. Now 7, now 63. Now it becomes a 0. See, remainder becomes a 0. Now 9 can divide 153. Then 9 will be the divisor of 153. Now I said common, right? Okay, we'll find out the common in between. Okay, now common will be 1. Okay, common will be 3. Common will be 9. Okay, now we have 3 factors, 1, 3, 9. Okay, we need to find a max. Max means a greatest. Okay, what is the greatest value from this 3? This is the 9, right? Then 9 become a GCD of 81 comma 153 is equal to 9. This is the final answer. The same way we can find a GCD of any number in mathematics. Okay, we'll try to solve the same problem with the Java programming. Okay. Now here we have Java program. So what we are doing in this program, I will explain you and I will execute the program. Okay, we'll see like a output at last. So first of all, we will learn about like the execution flow. Okay. Now see, here is the a class of GCD. Now here is the main method of Java. Okay, I have a declared two int values. This is the number one and this is the number two. Okay, we have to find GCD of 81 comma 153. Okay, we know as we saw in the last session, right, of GCD, but that is calculated from the math. Okay, that will be a 9. Okay, so we know by default one can divide any number. Okay, that's why we have just assumed the initial GCD of 81 and 53 is a 1. Okay, initially just assumption only. Okay, okay, now I have taken a for loop. Okay, here is my for loop. Okay, so initially it will start from 1. Okay, I is equal to 1. Now the second condition is, this is the second condition, from here to here. This is the second condition, and this is the third condition. Okay, I is equal to 1 is the first condition, that we all aware. Now what happens here while iterating a loop? In first iteration, what happened? Here I value becomes a 1. Okay, it will check. Okay, now n1 is equal to, we have 81 and number 2 and n2 is equal to 153. Now we will check in second condition. Okay, in second condition, see, in second condition we'll check 1 is a less than or equal to 81 and condition, and 1 is a less than or equal to 153. See, 1 is always less than 81, 1 is always less than 153, we know, right? Then it will return true. Okay, then the control will go inside. If this condition satisfied, then only the control will go inside. Okay, now the second, we have written one more if condition here. Okay, one more if condition we have written. Okay, in this area, what is happening? Okay, Now this is the first condition, and this is the second condition. Okay, so what will happen here, we'll see. Okay, n2, what is n2? N2 is 153 modulus of I, this one. Okay, it should be double equal to 0. What is meant by this? Okay, when we divide 153 by 1, okay, then remainder this one. Okay, remainder must be 0. Okay, this and this whole things both are same. Okay, this one 0, this 0 is denoting this one. Okay, this one. Okay, now I'm erasing for now this one. Okay, okay, now this condition again says the same. 81 modulus 1 0. Okay, now again it will be same like this. 81 divided by 1 and 81, it will become a 0. Okay, see 1 and 1, these are coming from here. Okay, this one. So okay, now this is the step 1. Okay, because it's starting from 1. Okay, now this is the clear, right? Now what will happen here? Okay, this condition will return true because the remainder will be a 0, and remainder will be a 0 in second condition as well. Okay, so it will be true, it will be true. See, true and true, it will become a true only. So if of true means it will execute this one. Okay, whatever we have written in the if condition, so that will get executed. Okay, I'm realizing for now. Okay, now the second I value become a 2, and one more loop will start, and same thing 153 modulus by 2 become a 0 or not, it will check. The same way 81 modulus of 2 0 0, it will check true or not. Okay, in the same way it will go up to this limit, I less than or equal to this one. Okay, but one condition will fail at 81 because 81 is a less than, right? So then I value 81 is less than or equal to 81, it will be true. So again when we increment, right, this one, then it will be like 82 less than or equal to 81. Then condition will be false, and and what happens? Okay, this iteration of this for will get stopped. Okay, it will come outside and it will print this line of code. Okay, let me clear and we'll discuss more. Okay, now after this one you have clear, right? When condition satisfying, right? When we are dividing the values and we are getting a remainder is 0, then it will place that value. So first of all, I value was 1, then I value was 2, then I value was 3, and so on up to I value 81. Okay, sorry. So I value becomes 81. Okay. Okay. See, it will always will replace. Okay, it will check the highest one. Okay, so on. Then I will become 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, it will stop at 9 only. So after 9, we cannot divide any number with the 81 and 153. Okay, that's why this value will be 9 only at last. Okay, see, okay, then this will be replaced with the 9 only. Okay, 9, see, these are the incrementing number, right? The 1 is small, 2 is a greater, 3 is a greater, 9 is a greater. Means we are taking a greater number. Okay, and don't compare with the mathematical equation solving, like a problem solving, and we are going with the code, right? So both are some like a different methodology. So okay, we have these possibilities to do that. Okay, this 9 will be replaced with this one 9, and finally it will get printed like this: GCD of what is the value of n1? What is the value of n1? N1 is 81. What is the value of n2? 3. Now, here 81, okay, and 153, and what is the value of GCD at final? Okay, then it will be this one 9. Okay, the final answer, it will print like this. If we change 81 and 53, then your answer will get changed always. So whenever you change in one element, then your answer will get changed. Okay, so you will get a doubt. So if any number is not divisible by any number, means so that can be divisible by 1, then always a 1 will be the common divisible divisor for all the numbers. Okay, but we are finding a greatest one. So which one is the greatest? Then we will find the here same. Okay. Hope you understood my explanation. And thank you. Thank you for your support and watching the same. And please do subscribe for interesting videos of Java technologies and related to the software engineering and operating system, everything which is required for a software engineer. You will get a lot of videos which can help you to grow in your career. Thank you so much.